Hey guys. Wow.
That was freaking weird.
That was scary.
Yeah.
Welcome. We are going to try something new. We get requests every once in a while to see kind of behind the scenes of things that we're doing, our planning, kind of shop upgrades, that kind of thing. So we're going to do kind of what we call a vlog type of video.
Yeah, which I hate the term vlog, but there's really no other way to say it. I don't know. So basically, we're going to walk you guys around, and it could be on anything. We're going to do this for a little while, see what you guys think, get your guys' opinion on it. It could be on, like today, we're going to go check out the new table we made, as our new workbench, and some upgrades in the shop. And then it could be stories or, you know, me shooting my bow or us going over different ideas to get your guys' thoughts. So
yeah, kind of a behind the scenes deal.
Yeah, and we're going to be doing a shop tour soon, once we get it done.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
We're getting close. We're getting closer.
It's getting there. So let's head over to the shop and let's
I'll let you lead since you got the camera.
See what we got going on. So this is totally different from what we normally do. Again, for some reason people are interested in what we do on a daily basis.
I don't know why.
Yeah. It ain't much.
Sorry about the wind. The wind is always blowing out here.
Yes, we're in the shop. So this is kind of, it's been a huge upgrade, man. So Dad, you want to kind of give a backstory on the bench?
Yeah, so first things first is we got a couple new toys.
Oh,
we got a track saw. Yeah, so we haven't taken it out of the box yet, but this is something that we've needed for a while. And we went with Milwaukee. There's a lot of good track saws out there. We went with Milwaukee because we're already on the Milwaukee platform. We've got a bunch of batteries for the router and different drills and stuff that Ryan had in California. So we thought, yeah, let's go with the Milwaukee. It's got a really good reputation. I know Matt Outlaw thinks very highly of it. So wasn't the cheapest, but so anyway, we got that. And then something even more exciting is these bow products, these feather boards and fence extension. I saw...
was it Stumpy Nubs?
Stumpy Nubs, yeah. James Hamilton just did a video the other day on this system. And this is, again, a fence extender. And we're going to be doing a lot of work with this table saw. So we thought this was definitely an upgrade we needed to do for helping us in ripping strips and ripping stuff for our tables and other projects as well. And I was really impressed with the video that James did on this. And if you go watch it, again, Stumpy Nubs, down in the description, it has a link. And the funny thing is, if you go to that link and you watch the video on the Amazon link, it kind of goes over the product, only a couple minutes long, but I may be totally mistaken, but it sure sounds like Izzy Swan is doing the voiceover on that video. So that, along with James, I've met James, we met him in Las Vegas. I'm super impressed. You guys all know who Stumpy Nubs, James Hamilton, is. The guy is brilliant when it comes to this stuff, and he really believes in this product. So we're going to try this out, but I have no doubt it's really going to help us when it comes to our production. So
well, if you guys want to see, sorry, the thing gets dark and whatnot, but if you guys want to see reviews on the track saw and the bow system, let us know in the comments. We're thinking about doing a review, but let us know what you guys think, if that's something you'd like to see.
By the way, one of my favorite drinks,
oh, those things are the best.
Jocko Goes. Man, I'm telling you what, they don't break you fast. They got like 0 calories, 0 sugar, and it's the best energy drink I've ever had for sure.
Oh, yeah.
A lot of different flavors. This one is sour apple. Awesome.
Yeah.
Anyway,
Jocko, if you see this, just sponsorship.
Yeah.
See what happens.
We're open.
Yes, we are. But that Jocko Go stuff, my gosh, it gets you pumped, and there's no crash, which is really nice.
It's really cool stuff.
All right, let me show you guys this real quick. I'm pretty stoked about this. This is our rack, our clamp rack. So we had these 2 shelves in the shop for years, and man, they were just kind of taking up space. But we got all these clamps, and we had them all throughout the studio, throughout the back porch, the shop, all kinds of stuff. And now we have them all in one space, and Dad did a killer job on this thing.
Yeah, I think it's going to make our flow process go. Oh, Home Depot or
UPS
is here. So I don't think it's another tool. It's probably something Vicky bought on Amazon.
Probably.
Yeah. So let me give you a rundown on our new Workbench. This thing is cool. So to give you kind of a backdrop, this is something that the base was actually a huge commercial duty table saw back when we were in Manteca, California, which was 30-something years ago. We ended up buying this. It was a table saw. We've had it for years and years and years, retopped it a few times, and it was belt driven. It was really an archaic old table saw, but the base is like built like crazy solid. So it's been sitting, if you look at the base on this thing, it's been sitting outside. It is solid as you can get. You could park a car on top of this thing.
And the old table saw, you couldn't even adjust the depth, huh?
Yeah, no, it was locked in, very little adjustment, even though it was a great table saw in its time. So what we decided to do, since we needed a really good workbench, a big workbench for building our tables and big signs, we went ahead and took the top off. We put plywood on top of it, took all of the guts as far as the table saw, took all that out, and put plywood on it. And then the seams, I just threw some Bondo in there, just the 3M Bondo, and it looks pretty good. I might redo that a little bit, make it a little bit cleaner, and then we're going to put some kind of a finish or paint or something on this. Not sure exactly what, but it's full 8 foot wide by 11 foot long, which is pretty good. Yeah, I think it's going to be freaking incredible for what the stuff we're going to be building. So we've still got a lot to do in here, but everything was based around this. Now we're getting kind of set up for building the tables, building big projects, building big signs. So I think a lot of what you guys are going to see going forward from a project standpoint, a lot of it will be filmed out here. We've got to fix our lighting situation a little bit better. And we've got a little bit more organization to do from side to side. But underneath this workbench, there's tons of room for storage, so we're going to utilize that. But anyway, guys, that is kind of the vlog for today. We just wanted to
hang on. Oh, I want to show you guys one thing. So this is something me and Dad argued about a lot. It's my toolbox that I brought from California. But you guys got to look at this. Look how nice. See how organized that is? Doesn't that look nice? Yes, it does. I'm not going to show you my wrench drawer yet, but once we get it all, the garage all put together, we're going to do...
You're not going to show them my socket drawer on my
Oh, you want to see Dad's socket drawer? Oh, well, that's his wrench drawer. You imagine trying to do something and then looking for the right wrench. Where's your socket drawer? There it is.
Yeah, there it is. All right.
So that's Dad's organization versus my organization. Now, my wrench drawer needs a little bit, but look at that. Look at that. See, everything's lined up by size. We got standard nubbies, metric, and I'm missing 2 of those, but I know where they're at. Metric nubbies. We got bent wrenches. Dude, it's just the best. It's just the best. And Dad's argument is he can fit more in his small toolbox than I can fit in my large toolbox. But it doesn't matter. You can fit more in buckets. If it's not organized, it doesn't matter, right? That's right. So the next vlog, we don't know what that's going to be on. Maybe the shop tour if we get everything set up and ready to go. But
yeah, we still got some things to clean up and kind of organize. That's a disaster. That's kind of leftover stuff from cleaning out the shelf where the pipe clamps are right now.
Yeah.
So we got some more work to do, but we got some really cool projects coming up too. So stay tuned. Let us know. Give us some comments. See if you like these behind the scenes vlog type videos. Let us know what you think. We really are interested because we want to kind of do a regular series of these if it is popular with you guys. If you guys like these, we'd love to have some feedback.
Yeah, if you guys don't like them,
then keep it positive.
Yeah, let's stay positive, everybody.
Keep it clean.
All right, guys. We'll see you guys, I don't know, on
Soon.
the next video. Yeah, soon.
Soon. Yes.
All right. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.